Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my filming space with you. You can call this my office, you can call this my studio, my beauty room, whatever you want to call it. This is where I spend all of my time. So you're going to be seeing the layout of my room. I basically have it divided into two sides. One side is my project side. So that's where I create all my props, I create my headpieces, where I style my wigs. And on the other side is where I have my filming side, which is what you're seeing now. This is the side of the room that I film all my videos and have storage basically for all of my products. I just want to give Jesus a huge shout out. Thank you, God, for this space. I'm so excited to be creating more content and obviously coming back to YouTube. I'm finally going to be posting consistently, si Dios quiere. I feel recharged in this space, so I'm really looking forward to just start creating and posting and sharing with you guys, and hopefully I can entertain you and inspire you to be creative. But that's really all I have to say, so let's go ahead and get into this video and let me show you my filming space. So this is a quick overview of my beauty room, my office, whatever you want to call it. Like I said, it is divided into two sections, and we're just going to get right into everything you see here. This is my drafting table. It was actually at the dumpster here at my apartment. I don't know who left it there, but my boyfriend brought it up for us, and I cleaned it off, and it was in perfect condition. I was so happy to find it because these can be very pricey. It does adjust in height and the level of the table. It has this shelf on the bottom where I just keep some of my craft stuff, and I also have this storage bin on the side that has drawers where I just keep a bunch of my junk. This is where I hold all my glue sticks, my paint, random ribbon, and accessories. This is just easier for me to store it here as opposed to where my beauty stuff is, so nothing gets all mixed up and just clutter. So this box just happened to be sitting here. It's actually the box that my lights came in, and we'll get to those in a second. But right now I just have it stuffed with a bunch of makeup that I'm going to be giving away to one of my family members. So yeah, don't mind that. But these tiles in the back I got from Home Depot, and I actually use these as backdrops for when I'm doing product shots and UGC content. So now let's move on to my wig wall. So I love this corner of my office. It's so beautiful to me. I'm definitely going to be adding some right there on the left, and I do have a tutorial on how I created this wig wall. It's actually really simple. It's just some command hooks and a styrofoam ball that you can get from Dollar Tree. You just kind of shove it on the hook, and then you place the wig on top, and boom, that is it. So if you want to see the full tutorial, definitely check out my TikTok and Instagram. I'll also have it linked in the description so you don't have to go searching for it. But let's get into this other half of my office space. This is my beauty side. This shelf is the home to some of my headpieces and my face casts, and of course some PR boxes so that I don't forget to use the products and try them out. It's just some more storage space. And then now we can look over to the background of my videos. So it's not as crazy as you might think. It's just a plain white wall. It's my lights that really make it look cool. And I won this Chingona sign in a Catrina competition in Dallas. So randomly, I wasn't even planning to compete, but I won and I was super proud of it. But let's get into these LED lights. So these are the main star of the show. You can plug it into the wall, and they also have the option for portable batteries, so that way you don't need a wire. But I got these off of Amazon. They are LED lights. They get super bright, and it goes from cool to warm tones, but it also has color, so you can use any color that you like for a background. And the cool thing about it is that it comes with an app that you can use on your phone to change the settings of each light, so you don't have to keep getting up and changing the settings individually. I love it. It's so convenient, and they're my favorite. But now let's get into my desk. So this table you can find anywhere, like Amazon, Walmart, whatever, and it's big enough to hold all of my stuff. So I have all my makeup on one side, my computer, my laptop, my eyeshadow palettes, and my makeup brushes are on this little IKEA Alex drawer that was given to me from my boyfriend's cousin. Shout out to Mikey and Tiffany. This thing came in clutch. It just holds some more makeup products, some office supplies, my special effects makeup and body paints, and I also have some tech stuff in this drawer with some old eyeshadow palettes that I don't use anymore. And then in the bottom is just a junk drawer, just full of props and different things like that. But now let's move back up my desk and talk about more of the equipment that you see here. One thing I really wanted to talk about was this desk mount. I found it on Amazon. Shout out to my homegirl Justina. She put me onto this and it has changed the way I've created content. I love it so much. I posted a video on TikTok about it and people went crazy for it. It moves in so many cool different directions. It has a ring light and the ring light has 3 different color settings and it actually gets pretty bright for being a small ring light. I love this thing so much. Again, you can get it on Amazon and I will have it linked in the description so you can get your hands on this if you are also a content creator yourself. I'll also link the attachment that I got separate from this. It really helps with holding my phone. It just makes things a lot easier compared to the attachment that it came with. So be on the lookout for that in the description as well. So now let me talk to you about my desktop and my laptop situation. So this Dell monitor was actually an old monitor that my boyfriend had, and I decided to use it as just like a separate screen from my laptop because I liked how big it was and I like that I can raise it so I'm not kind of like hunched down from my table looking at my laptop. Do you see how low it is compared to this screen? So that's basically what I use it for. I also use it as a viewfinder for my camera when I'm recording myself. It's just really convenient. It's not necessary, but that's how I do this. Now this is my DSLR camera. I got it off of Amazon. It is a Canon Rebel T5i. This tripod also started with me from the very beginning, and it is a quick release tripod, and I love how the handle, you can move it around in different directions with like the trigger handle. Another thing I wanted to mention was this battery. This thing was so cool. It is a fake battery basically that plugs into the wall so you can have constant recording time without having to continuously change out your battery. It was so convenient for me because I take forever when I record my videos. But now this is my ring light. So this is your typical newer, however you say it, ring light. You guys have seen this a million times. I also got this off of Amazon. It's been with me since the beginning. It is kind of time for me to get a new one because it's kind of old, but it hasn't failed me yet. And yeah, that's basically everything that is in my favorite room in my home. So yeah, that wraps it up, you guys. That's basically my office space. I call it my office because I also share it with my boyfriend. He has his corner of the room, but I'm in here all day, every day. If I'm not at my full-time job, I am here creating content or planning content or playing with my makeup or doing something. I love being in this space and I'm so grateful for everything that I have, and I'm just beyond blessed. This took me years to build up a space like this. When I first started out, I literally just had a little desk and my camera and my ring light. That was it. And my desk was the desk that I used for college. It takes time if you're just now starting. And if my space looks like something that you're aspiring to, over time you will definitely accumulate all the things to fill your space the way you like it. I still have dreams of like a studio, and one day I'm gonna get there and I can't wait to share that with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know any questions you have down in the comments below and I will be sure to respond. Make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel if you enjoyed this video, and stick around because I'm gonna be having so much more content coming out. Thank you guys for watching this video and hanging out with me. It's so good to see you again, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye y'all.